Привіт-привіт, my dear friends. My name is Ina and welcome to my YouTube channel Speak Ukrainian. In today's video lesson, I would like to explain you why you don't have to say the expression НА УКРАЙНІ, and actually it is offensive and rude for us. But before we start, I would like to ask you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video and leave your comments about it. So guys, very often I heard this expression from my students, especially from those one who learned Russian language before, and their Russian language teachers taught them this expression. But I want to tell you that it is not correct to say it like this, and there are different aspects. The first one is grammar. When you need to say about your location, we need to say the preposition in. For example, in America, в Америці, in Ukraine, в Україні, in England, в Англії, in Europe, в Європі. Or for example, the sentence, I live in America. Я живу в Америці. I live in Ukraine. Я живу в Україні. So in both English and Ukrainian languages we use the preposition in, the preposition of place, and it's logical, it makes sense, but it's not correct to say on America or on Ukraine or on Europe. We don't say like this. It is incorrect. Of course it is. So why do we have this expression НА УКРАЙНІ that means on Ukraine? So you can guess that this expression was made by Russians. Of course they did it. Why, you can ask me? Because they don't respect us and they want to show their dishonor. They say like this, НА УКРАЙНІ. And actually they consider that Ukraine is not an independent country and we don't have our own language. We speak the Russian dialect actually, and they say НА УКРАЙНІ, and they consider us as a small Russian country. And we have this expression and we don't like it at all, and even some Ukrainians use it. Unfortunately, that's true. And I want to tell you that the word Ukraina is the name of our country, is very similar to the sound of Russian word Окраїна. Окраїна means edge. So they say НА УКРАЙНІ because they consider we are located on the edge of the Russian territory. That's actually the whole story, guys, that I wanted to share with you. So now you know that you need to say only в Україні. Please start using only this expression because it's correct according to the grammar, and also if you respect us and if you want to support us in these very difficult times, and you know that it is very offensive and rude for many Ukrainians when they hear НА УКРАЙНІ. And there are a lot of people who participated in Russian-Ukrainian war, and we still have this conflict and strong aggression from Russia. And also many people, they lost their houses and they had to escape from the east of Ukraine and from Crimea. So please show your respect and speak Ukrainian language correctly. And guys, if you want to learn Ukrainian language with the right teachers who are professionals and are native speakers, I want to invite you to my online Ukrainian language school, Speak Ukrainian. And also at the website speaky.com you can find Ukrainian courses, one-on-one lessons, Ukrainian textbooks, flashcards. You're welcome. And if you want to check out more my lessons, then please subscribe to my Instagram account Speak Ukrainian Language. If you like my content, guys, please support me on patreon.com. All the links you will find in the description of this video. Thank you so much for your attention. Your teacher Ina, and Papa. Bye bye.